So what's up guys, Speaker Gang here. Here's my new surround sound. As you can see, I have different speakers on the front. This is them without their cover. That's what the other side looks like on the front. This is my surround sound receiver. And also this is the receiver powering the Scar SVR 12-inch subwoofers. Cheap boxes. They sound alright for what they are, though. Before any of you say this is dangerous and they can catch on fire, you're right, but as long as you have a fan on them, it's fine. And for my little cabinet, I have to have it somewhat like that, but since it's not really warm right now, I'll just keep it closed until I keep playing them. Then I also have some speakers I'll be doing a review on someday. They're a pair of Technics. I found them at a thrift store, actually. They supposedly have a protector inside them and whatnot. I'm just going to do the talking first. By the way, subscribe to my channel. I'm just doing the talking first so I can get all that out of the way. They're the same amount of wattage as the IKEA speakers. They're 120 watts. Taking it, that's normal. And then, yeah, pretty much that's everything to them if you want to look them up. They do not flex a lot, but they're both sealed cabinets. Ugh, I can't talk today. The tweeter is a little screwed up on that one, but you know, I don't really care. And well, it's not really terribly screwed up, but you know, it sounds a little different from this one, but hey, you know, that's fine. And yeah, both of them are Tenants speakers too. They're both Tenants speakers. They're both sealed cabinets. And I don't know what year these are from, but I know my these ones are from 1989. They're pretty nice, actually. I still have the radio to these, but the amplifier burnt up, so it wanted to protect and never came back out. And then I have the Sony center channel that goes to this radio. It's just the common new center channel that they have, so you can just look up Sony center channel speaker if you want to find it. 100 watts and all that. Then I'll also be doing another video on my computer setup speakers. Those are just all the old speakers that I moved from using this. I shouldn't say moved from using, I should say more like the speakers that was hooked to this. So without further ado, I guess I'll get to turning this up. By the way, this is probably copyrighted music, but I don't really care anymore because I'm getting sick of using the cringy non-copyright music. So yeah. Also, in case you were wondering, here's the specs on the IKEA speakers. You can look that up real quick if you want to. Pause the video. Yeah, they're pretty nice for what they were. I got them given to me with the radio, so yeah. So without further ado, let's get some bass in here, I guess.
Chicago Bulls basketball shorts are trying to scrimmage. I go 8, post up in the paint, shot me out percentage. Say let's get it, step on one of you niggas, spit on you when I finish. Try to act like they won't smoke, but get they really be up in their feelings. This little beat it, pussy punch, she won't sit on some of these exes. Told me, get this pussy, put it on some of your children. I know how to think I'm father stacking. Sit on one of these fenders, I'm on real. Ain't been sitting at one of they temples, I'm just bitching. I ain't came across things I go to eat. I be twitching.
subwoofers. Get some more flex out of them. Let's see if I can put the other receiver in protect. There we go.
I bet that bitch used to be chief execution of big enforcement, drug lords in my lineage.
Yeah, I went into protect. Oh yeah, a little bit warm. Gotta love it. So we'll go up to about 35. Almost forgot to open that. So I'm gonna change some songs here. Holy shit. Oh, oh, oh. Full fucking speakers just moved.
Pause. Break the knob. Speaker going out. Booty bitches, both cheeks poking out. If I feel played, everybody getting robbed. This my motherfucker born on the call. Listen to them 3-6 off on my dog. If I don't know you, I don't wanna, I don't like the vibe. Bitch, fake me, I'ma die, see it in my eyes. Get my dog in the mouth, what you need? Drop a bag in the face, now you bragging more. 50, 80 days, got a chick, she Dominican. Let you have a tank, Portuguese.
Oh no, it fell. Oh no.
Get the shovel. Bad bitches wanna fuck me. Yeah, shout it up. Big bad bitches wanna fuck me. Yeah, you know, shout it up the way I. Shout it up the way I. Shout it up the way I. When I'm fucking up, I'ma get shit, but it ain't no come along. Showing up, all that ain't got behind you. Little boy, all that ain't got behind you. I mean, all over that value. Over that value. I'ma get shit, but it ain't no come along. Showing up. Pause. Break the knob. Speaker going off. The Tim's in the room. You get people going off. I just say Kevin Gates, he be showing off. Big man getting heavy. Horsepower on the Chevy. Money walk out. Bad bitch. We done got the jug, man. Another level. Mr. Chris Drew section 18K. Plain J Lex. But I'm out the freak. We can fuck wherever. Get them so fuck them up. All black 750 with the peanut butter cut. Who is this big fine motherfucker running up? Bumps in the bump. Who they going? Bump, shoes on. Watch me. Jump, man. What the fuck?
That's gotta be probably the loudest song I've played on these in a while. I haven't actually played that song in a long time, but my fucking... that car was supposed to be on them. It fell. Before I could even show you guys, it fucking fell off. I don't know if you guys saw that. The right speaker was fucking bouncing, like... That's insane. It's probably the loudest song I can play on these without pissing everyone off. If I wanted to, I could really get louder, but I don't think my room needs that. I have a lot of other shit that's probably ready to fall off of the wall yet. Yeah, this... Oh wow, they're kind of warm. Yeah, though, that's what happens when you take a 300 watt surround sound radio, make it so it's only two channel, or, you know, turn it to the 2 channel setting, and adjust the bass and treble, you know, that old technique. So yeah, that's pretty much how I got that. I wonder if these are warm. No. It takes a lot to get these fluxing. These like rock music, but if you play rap on them, they really don't like that. I don't know why. It's something with that radio, but I don't know. Wonder how warm this is, actually. I need to get a fan for this, but it actually ain't too warm, surprisingly. Yeah, you might have saw back there my wiring is pretty bad. Well, it's not bad wiring. I should just say it's bad wire management. I just literally never gave a shit. Yeah, that's only like a quarter of it you're seeing. So if you didn't really see, that paper was it was literally ripping them off of it, them pieces. It was literally ripping them off of it. I don't know if you saw them flying or not, but it's kind of great. I get to use my phone for YouTube videos now. My tablet just didn't have a light on it, so it's either you record during the day or you don't record at all. So yeah, if you like my content, please do subscribe. I have a video out of me wiring this speaker. Well, that one I wired too, but it's not in the video. I wired this one to 2 ohms and the other one's to 2 ohms too. So they flex a little bit more now, and they can take a little bit more. So yeah, peace. You guys couldn't tell, but in real life, this whole string was going like this, like a lot worse in person. And this was just fucking like that. Of course, I mean, I guess I could understand that. This whole fucking speaker literally bounced, and it's not really a light speaker to do that. So yeah, definitely go and subscribe.